5 safe winter cleaning tips for your business. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Every business needs these winter cleaning tips to keep their office neat and safe. Wintertime is quite messy, but you can still enjoy a spotless office with these hacks. Winter is coming. Like got, this phrase is as scary as it goes because of the long nights, cold, snowy tracks, and pile of mess that winter brings with it. How do businesses keep their premises clean and safe even in the messiest time of the year? It is quite a struggle for any business to keep their premises spotless and safe, especially with everyone trying to stay inside the office. But business must go on as usual. So, how do you ensure your office remains warm and sparkling as always? This video covers 5 safe winter cleaning tips for your business. Before we jump into that, please click on subscribe if you haven't done that already. Now, let's get to it. Start from the exteriors. If you can keep your exteriors clean and safe, you are already halfway through the task. Exteriors are typically the most dangerous during winter because of melted ice and snow. Without proper maintenance, you could have lots of accidents and falls on your premises. For better safety, make sure to keep the entry point dry and clean. Everything from your signage to parking lots and walking paths should be kept clean and dry as often as possible. Don't forget the entry point where people stomp their boots. Clean shared surfaces and areas. Even if you don't heed other winter cleaning tips, be sure to keep this one in mind. Germs spread faster in winter. You can protect your employees and customers from catching the flu and viruses by cleaning and disinfecting commonly used surfaces such as doorknobs, desks, chairs, desktops, printers, and countertops. Shared rooms like bathrooms and kitchens should also be regularly cleaned and disinfected. Pay more attention to your floor. After your exteriors, your floor gets worse during winter. Whether it is tile, wooden, or carpet flooring, you ought to pay more attention to your floor in wintertime. Your employees and customers probably walked through tons of ice and snow to get to your office. No matter how hard they stomp their boots, you bet a small part of the snow and salt still find their way into your office. Besides making your floor dirty and messy, the salt and water could damage your floor, and worse, cause people to fall. We highly recommend cleaners are on standby to keep the floor dry and clean. Don't ignore your windows. Somehow, people tend to ignore their windows during winter cleaning. They think because it is cold outside, there is no need for windows. That's very wrong. Whether open or closed, your window is a good source of lighting. You need some sunshine in winter more than ever. Give it a try this winter and see the difference. Another vital reason to clean your windows is to protect your brand's image. Visitors can see your windows, and it doesn't tell well of your brand if they are dirty. You need better air quality. This must be the most important of all winter cleaning tips, because your safety depends on it. More people are hiding inside and windows are typically closed during winter, which means the same air circulating. This can be a huge problem, because it is flu season and germs are trapped inside. The ongoing pandemic makes it even worse. As you prepare for the coming winter, be sure to clean your vac and make plans to clean more to ensure dust and germs don't circulate in your office. Bonus tip: hire a professional cleaning company. Keeping your business clean, tidy, and safe during winter is a lot of work. Don't allow this to disturb your usual business schedule. Instead, hire a professional cleaning company on standby. This way, you can carry on with work without worrying about constant cleaning. At FastKlean, we are equipped with the right expertise and equipment to keep your business clean and safe without disrupting your schedule. Winter is upon us. If you are yet to get started, this is an early reminder to start preparing for winter. Cleaning in wintertime can be very frustrating. However, these winter cleaning tips should set you up for success. Remember to call on professionals if cleaning starts disrupting your business. Want more office cleaning tips? Check out our previous video on 5 incredible benefits of a clean home. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.